if you are facing that your Blinkit app is not working or not responding, then I'm telling you the process how to solve this problem. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to solve it. We just need to go in setting. Go in app list. First of all, go in app management. I'm showing you. This is the app management. Click on it. Go in app list. Click on it. Search. Search the app. Yeah, so here is the app. You can click on it. Click on storage. Go in cache. Click on clear the cache. Now here you can see that is empty, means the cache is deleted. Now go back. You can restart your phone and problem solved. Thank you.